up, OMG Nation? It is Saturday. Tomorrow is Easter Sunday. So we are headed over to my mother's house so the boy can see his grandmother and spend a little time. We've all got so much stuff going on this weekend that, and whoa, that guy's dragging metal, that the family has to kind of some of us are going to do something on Friday, some of us are doing something today, and some of us are doing something tomorrow. So everybody's just trying to get everyone worked in. It's almost like Easter Sunday kind of snuck up on everybody. But man, I love riding through these back roads. I'm in Arrington, Tennessee right now. It is nice out here. It's a little chilly today. And though it looks nice and it looks sunny, it is chilly. What's this guy doing right here? K number 30. I don't know why you keep hitting your brakes, K number 30. There's that pool that's been there for about 15 years. Just sitting back there. Somebody said, I'm going to put a pool in my backyard. They just paid for it to be put in their backyard and forgot to pay for the installation process. That's my ridiculous sense of humor. I'm sure I'm the only one that laughed at that. If anybody else laughed, they're laughing at me. Alright, let's see. Let's turn this down a little bit. There we go. What do we have right here? Oh, it's a cyclist. Too steep to turn around. Or you should just put a sign that says, please don't turn around in my driveway. I don't know that it's too steep. I mean, what if somebody has a giant 4x4? There's not a shortage of those here in Tennessee, that's for sure. Speaking of, look, there's two of them parked right behind each other. One in front and behind. Well, I guess they can't be behind each other. That was a little weird. What's this guy doing over here, brother? Pull it on out, brother. Pull it on out. You gotta be careful on these back roads because a lot of these roads have, see, like that gravel roads attached to them. So you'll come around these corners and there's a small road, and where cars have pulled in and out, in and out, in and out, it'll fling gravel all over the road. So you might just hit a patch of gravel out of nowhere. Like, let's see, is that one? No, I can't tell. Yeah, a little bit. So, see right there, just kind of spread out just a little bit. Sometimes it'll be all over the road. See, right through here, all of here, that's got loose gravel. Just right in through here. Oh, all of that I just rode over. I'm telling you, it's everywhere back through here. But this is a beautiful... Shoo! Oh, gosh. I was just about to say, it's a beautiful ride. And then it smelled like one of those cows came over and... pooped in my helmet. God, that is disgusting. I'll tell you this, I was raised on a farm and you still just don't get used to that. That was fresh. Woo! Shoo! That's still in my helmet. Yeah. Boy, that was fresh and strong. The cow was eating good. Jeez. There's one of my favorite little overpriced homes back here. You can't see it off the road. But if I had like $1.5 million to spend, I would definitely buy it. I'll point it out. It's not this one, but this is some beautiful views right through here. Whoa, look out, brother. Oh, somebody's got a brand new driveway. That's nice. It might be out the market. I mean, did it sell? No, there it is. There's the sign. Oh, look at all that gravel right there. Oh, back tire slid. Look at all this right here. Now, so for sale forever. Beautiful home, way overpriced. It should probably be, I mean, man, that home, it should probably be under 1 million, way under 1 million. But you know, that's why it's been sitting for 1.5 years. But anyways, that's a ginormous flag. Every time my boy sees the American flag, he says, "Look, Dad, there it is. I love it." It's some nice, comfortable cruising today. These are good roads to come back through and bust through, trying to go in fast and everything too, when there's not gravel all over the road. But I'm just telling you, there's here lately gravel everywhere because of the rain. I forgot about that too. The rain washed a lot of this gravel into the road. I'll tell you what, we'll do a quick little montage right here, and then we'll pick back up when we get to my mom's. Alright, so we're at my mom's house before this. Look at here. Look at these monsters in here. Axel! Hey, the last mistake someone would ever make would be breaking into this house. There's like 5 of them like that. Look at this big old thing. Hey, what's up, dude?
This, please.
Hey, Axel, look at this guy. Axel! Hey, baby, it's me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, there's my little Jazzy baby. Hi, honey. Hey, Sammy, how are you? That's my baby girl right there. Hey, baby girl, come here. Oh my goodness gracious! I'm gonna come over here and look at you and just come over here and see you in just a second. So, shoot, I should just move into this little place right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna tell you, there's some wild. These dogs look like wolves. Alright, we're gonna pick back up at the park. Alright, so we're gonna take the whole family down to. We don't have. We didn't want to swap all the car seats out, so we're just gonna ride all the cars. Mom's lived in this neighborhood forever, and I had no idea there's a park down the road. Whoa, she just ran off the road. Watch out! Grandma's driving. As she said, across the street, but this is down the road. Oh man, no, I had no clue this big old park was down here. My goodness, it's a big one. Oh my goodness, my boy's gonna love this. I'm not gonna be able to film a whole lot over here because there's a lot of kids. I don't like putting other people's kids onto my channel unless they approve it, their parents approve it, so I probably won't film much of this. Alright, so we finished up at the park. Like I said, I just didn't want to film. There are a ton of kids around. So now I am headed over. Moonshine had a event today. I can't remember which event it was. It's either one or two events. It could be the anniversary event or something else. But anyways, there was an event today. So I'm going to run over there and see if it's still going on. I know sometimes those events end around 3 or 4 o'clock, and I think it's later than that. I don't even know what time it is. All I know is the sun's pretty low in the sky, so that means it's closer to 4 or 5. So I could go this way right here and take the twisty, windy back roads all the way back to my place, or I can go up here and jump on the interstate, and that's what I'm going to do. I mean, hopefully there will not be a lot of yahoos on the interstate today. I was sitting here thinking, what in the world is smacking my helmet? I thought my chin strap was unbuckled. I was like, I know I buckled it. I look in the mirror and it's my zip-up hoodie that I have on. The strings are hanging out. This sign right here is that stop sign. There's 2 stop signs for that road that's connecting. It always kind of weirds me out for about half a second. I've been through here so many times and it still weirds me out because it makes me think I'm running a stop sign. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, don't run the... Oh, okay, it's for the other road. But I've seen it so many times and I don't know why it still registers like that to me. You think by now... I mean, I can't even tell you how many times I've come through here. The interstate looks empty today. What is this? I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on. Let me change lanes. Woo! The wind just hit me. Tried to take me off the bike. So as we round this corner up here, on the right hand side of the road, above the tree line, there's a castle up there. And every year they do some type of Renaissance festival up there. And people go to that place. There it is right there. And they dress up like everything. Full-fledged armor, maidens, and whatever else was back in that era. Yeah, that's Tennessee for me right there. I've never been. I've always told myself I was going to go at least once just to kind of watch the happenings, the goings on, so to speak. Man, it is windy out. Yeah, go ahead. I know it was important to get in front of me. It is windy out here today. There's a cross breeze trying to blow me off the interstate. This guy has something on the front of his car. Some piece of styrofoam or something. Alright, we're going to pick this back up when we get the moonshine. Well, I guess I missed it. I guess I missed it. The show.
A little over an hour and a half ago. Seat in my ass.
Better late than never.
That's not what you said when I got here late. Greg was asking me about. I had to explain to him that there was no set in stone of me being in there that day.
Hey, but remember, I'm in charge of the video and the editing. I can make it look however. Stall. Oh, this is recording, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.